Welcome to Simon's Car Fix. Today we'll be showing you the oil pressure switch locations for the 2016 Scion FRS. The oil pressure switch location is located right over here. And we also have another oil pressure switch also located right over here. The first oil pressure switch is located right over here, and the second one is located right over here. So we have two oil pressure switch. Here's the first and here's the second oil pressure switch. And that's the oil pressure switch locations for this car. Thank you for watching.